Good morning, everyone. Have you ever wondered why, in the age of Spotify, vinyl sales are higher than ever? Today, I will talk about the magic of analog sound and why digital formats often fail to capture the life of music. To begin, I'll share a personal memory that defined my ears forever. Growing up in the 80s, my father had an impressive Philips Hi-Fi system. It wasn't just a radio, it was a four-speaker setup hidden behind plants that create a completely immersive experience. Moreover, you could identify every single instrument with total clarity. Moving on the technical side, when CDs and MP3 arrived, I noted a huge drop in quality. The music felt flat or cold. The reason is simple. Digital audio uses sampling. It cuts the sound wave into millions of pieces, zeros and ones. On the other hand, analog systems like the transistor amplifiers I studied in my youth treat the sound as a continuous wave. It doesn't cut the music, it lets it flow. For instance, imagine a digital photo where you can see the pixel if you zoom in. Analog is like a real life view. There are no pixels, just pure reality. To sum up, while digital is convenient, analog is about feeling. Currently, I'm restoring a vintage console to experience that live sound again. In conclusion, don't just listen to music, feel it. Thank you for your time. Are there any questions?